In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Go-To, F5, to jump to pages, sections, tables, and comments. This simple tool can save you a lot of time when you're navigating long documents. Instead of scrolling line by line, you can jump straight to exactly where you need to be. Start by opening the Go-To dialog. The quickest way is to press F5 on your keyboard. You can also press Ctrl+G if that's more comfortable for you. This brings up the Go-To tab inside the Find and Replace window, which is designed specifically for quick navigation. On the left side, you'll see a list of items you can jump to. For this workflow, focus on page, section, table, or comment. Choose the one that matches what you're looking for. If you select page, you're telling Word to take you to a specific page number in the document. If you choose section, keep in mind that sections are defined by section breaks, and they're numbered in the order they appear. For table, Word counts each table from the top of the document downward. And for comment, you'll move to the comment number based on when each comment was added. Once you've selected the category, type the number of the item you want in the box labeled Enter Page Number or similar, depending on the category. For example, if you choose Page and type 5, Go-To takes you to page 5. If you choose Table and type 2, it takes you to the second table in the document. Be sure you're entering the correct number for the category you selected. Page numbers and table numbers aren't interchangeable. Click Go-To, and Word will take you directly to that location. The dialog can stay open while you work, which makes it easy to keep jumping without reopening it. If you're reviewing several items in a row, use the Next and Previous buttons. These let you move sequentially through the same type you chose, like stepping through tables one by one or scanning through each comment in order. It's a great way to review content quickly, especially during edits or formatting checks. If the jump doesn't land where you expect, double-check that you chose the right category on the left and that the number matches what you intend to reach. When you're finished navigating, click Close to dismiss the dialog and continue working in your document. That's all there is to it. With Go-To, you can move around your document with confidence and speed, whether you're jumping to a page, a section, a table, or a comment.